6 centimeters, roughly 6.5 inches, but you can scale it up if you'd like a larger figure. For the default size, you'll need 3 millimeters by 150 millimeters and 4 millimeters by 150 millimeters zip ties. Here's a black 3 millimeter zip tie, and here's a white 3 millimeter zip tie. As you can see, the width isn't exactly 3 millimeters. The smallest zip tie head width may vary slightly, typically between 3 millimeters and 3.6 millimeters. Anything within this range is acceptable. Important note: when purchasing cable ties or zip ties, make sure the dimensions listed on the packaging refer to the head of the zip tie, not the width of the tail. However, if you are unsure, measure the tail. A 3 millimeter head will typically have a tail width of 1.8 to 2 millimeters. Anything larger may be too big. It's always a good idea to bring a ruler or caliper when shopping for 3 millimeter zip ties. But in case you don't have one on hand, here's a helpful tip. Get 2 credit cards and stack them together like this. Hold the zip tie tail up against the edge of the stacked cards. If the width of the tail is roughly the same as the combined thickness of both cards, this indicates that the tail is about 2 millimeters and should have a 3 millimeter head width, give or take. This zip tie will most likely fit the default ZIPGUY scale.